You need to defend yourself.
Vincent, you need to defend yourself or you get mowed down. Oliver, I'm small if you haven't noticed. Vincent, yeah, so was Hitler. Oliver, that's a horrible comparison. Vincent, do it right, break the guy's nose. Oliver, break his nose. Vincent, relax, you're not going to get it right.
Here's a dime.
Vincent, here's a dime. Call your mom. Oliver, it costs more than a dime. Vincent, all right, here, if it costs more than that, call collect.
I want to close this account.
Vincent, I want to close this account. Bank teller, $112.14. Vincent, all right. Small bills bank teller, no, you're overdrawn that much. Vincent, what does that mean? Bank teller, it means you hit zero. Here's zero. You went below zero. Oh. Vincent, okay.
A lady of the night.
Maggie, so how do you and Vincent know each other? Daka, I'm working for this man. I'm also dancer. Oliver.
A saint is a human being we celebrate.
Brother Jaeden, a saint is a human being we celebrate for the sacrifices they make, for their commitment to making the world a better place.
Is there anything going on?
Brother Jaeden, this is Oliver. You can lead us all in morning prayer. Oliver, I think I'm Jewish. Brother Jaeden, good to know. Brother Jaeden, we have lots of time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.